Food label decoding in a nutshell. Ready for a quick grocery store hack? Always start with the basics: serving size and servings per container. Next, keep an eye out for hidden sugars. They can be sneaky. Look for words like syrup, sweetener, and O's on the ingredient list. Hidden sugars can lurk anywhere, so read those labels carefully. Now let's talk ingredients. Shorter lists with pronounceable ingredients are usually better. Opt for foods with whole, unprocessed ingredients. Aim for simpler ingredient lists with whole, real foods. Sodium alert. High sodium levels can be a health hazard. Choose items with lower sodium content for a heart-healthy diet. Keep sodium in check for a healthier heart. Lastly, spot healthy fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Look for unsaturated on the label. Healthy fats are your friend, so know how to find them. Armed with this knowledge, you can shop smarter, eat healthier, and make informed choices at the grocery store.